Good morning, student. This is your Sipra ma'am here from MITM College, Bhubaneswar of Civil Department. Today I am going to discuss some MCQ questions on footing or foundation. Foundation can be broadly classified under dash: shallow foundation and deep foundation, pile foundation, none of the mentioned, all of the mentioned. Here your answer is the foundation can be broadly classified under two heads, that is your shallow foundation and deep foundation. Foundation is said to be shallow if its depth is dash than its width, equal to and less than, greater than, none of the mentioned, all of the mentioned. Your answer is, according to Tezagi, a foundation is shallow if its depth is equal to or less than its width. So here answer is A. And in case of deep foundation, the depth is equal to or greater than the width. Okay. Then question number 3. Which of the following is a type of shallow footing? Spread footing, pile footing, pile foundation, pier foundation, well foundation. So your answer is spread footing. The shallow foundation are spread footing, that is simple footing, strap footing, combined footing, mat footing or raft footing. Which of the below is the most commonly used shallow foundation? Strap footing, spread footing, combined footing, raft footing. So which is commonly used shallow foundation? That is spread footing. In spread footing, load is transmitted through an isolated column or wall to the subsoil. So this is most common type of foundation. The pressure intensity beneath the footing depends upon dash: rigidity of the footing, soil type, condition of soil, all of the mentioned. Answer is all of the mentioned. Both from observation as well as analytical studies from elasticity, it is known that the pressure distribution beneath footing is not uniform and it depends on the rigidity of footing, soil type and the condition of soil. So all of the above answer is correct. Then number 6. Once the pressure distribution is known, dash in the reinforced concrete footing can be calculated. Options are bending moment and shear force, bending pressure, none of the above, all of the mentioned. Your answer is bending moment and shear force. Knowing the pressure distribution is known, the bending moment and shear force can be calculated. The thickness of structural member can be calculated using the properties of reinforced concrete. So the answer is bending moment and shear force. Question number 7. In conventional design, allowable bearing capacity should be taken smaller than which of the following value? Safe bearing capacity and allowable bearing pressure, intensity beneath the footing, none of the mentioned, all of the mentioned. So in conventional design, allowable bearing capacity should be taken as the smaller of the following two values, that is the safe bearing capacity based on ultimate capacity and allowable bearing pressure on tolerable settlement. So the answer is safe bearing capacity and allowable bearing pressure. In cohesive soil, the pressure distribution beneath the footing is dash: linear, nonlinear, 0, none of the mentioned. Answer is A, that is linear. When a footing rests on cohesive soil, the edge stresses may be very large, but the pressure distribution may be considered to be linear. When do strap footing are used in foundation? To transfer load of an isolated column. Distance between the columns are long. Two column loads are unequal. All of the mentioned. So when the strap footing are used in foundation, when the distance between the columns are long. A strap footing may be used where the distance between the column is so great, means long, that the combined trapezoidal footing becomes quite narrow, so with a high bearing moment. When two column loads are unequal, which of the following footing can be provided? When two columns load are unequal, which of the possible footing can be provided? So answer is trapezoidal combined footing. When the two columns load are unequal, with the outer column carrying a heavier load, and when there is space limitation beyond the outer column, a trapezoidal footing is provided. Thank you.